It's the beverage equivalent of a war crime.
The 7 Levels of Hell is a cocktail made from the most heinous and terrible foodstuffs collected from around the globe and combined into one glorious and infamous beverage.
But first, because this is so adventurous, I'm going to need a change in hats. Now we're going to make the Limburger durian mousse. Oat milk, some cream,
Durian. Limburger cheese.
Whoa, that's rank. Whoa. This has a rind on it I'm going to cut off. God, that smells like 20-year-old rotten feet. Oh no. I'm going to get a nice big block of it. There we go. Okay. This legit looks... Oh, I can't even describe it. Let me just add it to our whipped cream dispenser. Oh, it's so thick. Oh no. Mama didn't raise no fool. I know better to open Surstrommings in my own house, so I'm here on my front porch instead. I'm gonna do these 3 cans in order of grossness. Step 1, snail juice. It smells like sulfur. All right. Step 2, fermented chili bean curd. Just a hint of ferment and a little bit of soy. Ooh, it's chunky. Oh no. And finally, we have everybody's disgusting rotten fish, Surstrommings. Hailing from Norway. Or Sweden? Anyway, let's open it. Away from myself, preferably. Yeah! Sorry. Oh no. Oh god. And the flies immediately start swarming this thing. Holy Christmas. Oh. What have I done? You know, it smells bad, but not like devastating. I've smelled worse. I worked in a coal mine for 6 years. Oh no. Oh. 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 Oh, there they are. Actually, this is one of the more intact cans I've ever seen. It did pooch out about 2 weeks after sitting on the shelf. Get out of here, flies. Jesus. Oh, it's a hefty dose. Oh no, nope. Oh no. A little bit more. Yummy. Oh boy. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we must assemble our cocktail. All right. At the bottom of our cocktail, we have vintage 1995 pure capsaicin. It's bad enough that they put it inside of a pill bottle. It's that freaking hot. A nice drizzle in there for the deepest level. A little taste. Oh shit, that's still hot. Oh no. And now we add the next level up, Surstrommings. Whew! I'm going to pour it over the back of the spoon to try and maintain the layers. Oh no, it's going everywhere. Oh, Courtney's going to kill me. Oh, I guess the other stuff is an oil, so it's floating. That's gonna be fun. Now we're gonna do the fermented bean curd. I should have thought this was gonna float. Like, the bean curd's definitely more dense. Oh yeah, that's snail juice. Yeah, pouring from shot glasses was a great idea. Note to self. Oh no. Okay. Jeppson's Malort is pretty widely recognized as the worst liquor known to mankind. I'm not sure if I agree with that. It's bad, but it's not like, it's just like herbal. It's really not too terrible. About an ounce of that over the back of a spoon into this. Hopefully it stays on top. Yes. Yes, it's all coming together now. I bought the cheapest possible vodka from Trader Joe's. Here we go. This was $7.99 for a 750. I'm gonna do about a half a shot of that. Don't need any more than that. Because vodka is just a little bit too good for this drink. This is a drink of suffering. This is a drink of pain and redemption. I'm not sure if any of you are old enough to remember, but there was this drug back in the late 90s that you could take and it would make it so you couldn't absorb fat. And that's basically what the toilet looked like afterwards.
A nice thick slice of liverwurst for the rim.
It looks like the blob of meat creature from Stranger Things. Yeah. Oh, you're going to be hard pressed to find something more rank and disgusting than what I've just built here. A lot of meat for a cocktail. Yeah, there you go. All the way around the rim. Now we chop up a century egg for weeks, months underground, and it's a delicacy. I've seen these a couple times. They're dark brown or almost black, and the yolk has turned this sort of sad gray color. I'm just gonna get a quarter of this. Hopefully it'll stay intact for me. Oh, what? I don't even understand what I'm seeing here. It's like, it's still got a little bit of yellow yolk. I guess it's only 999 years old. Okay, I'm gonna cut a wedge of it. Oh, that is so gross looking. It's like a geode of cat piss. The inside actually doesn't smell that bad. It's not bad. That's going on our skewer. Of habanero for color. Anchovy stuffed olives, because gotta have a little bit of sweet with the sour, you know. We have some armor-tailed scorpions. You in there? You see them? I can't see them. Hold on. Aw, kind of cute. One of them's more intact than the other. I'm gonna try and get the more intact one on the cocktail. There's our little tiny scorpion friend with his tail nice and intact. And I'm just gonna set him head first on this egg yolk, if I can stop shaking for 2 goddamn seconds. Yeah, there we go. Oh, that is just beautiful. Oh, I almost forgot. You gotta put the cream topping on it. For you Labyrinth fans, I've legitimately made the Bog of Eternal Stench cocktail. Here it is. This is probably the first and last time you'll ever see something quite this foul. I'm going to need some liquid encouragement. A little bit of bourbon. Cheers. Outside again, and I'm having to wave my hand over this thing constantly to keep the flies off of it. It is truly foul. It smells mostly of durian. Like, I'm amazed that that's the smell that's coming through. And now, after much preparation, we have the 7 Levels of Hell cocktail down the hatch. Spicy. Oh, it's kind of like a shrimp cocktail flavor with meat. Oh, it's getting worse. Oh, no. I'm going to have to go ahead and down this. This is not a sipping cocktail. Oh, I wish I had some water or something. Oh boy. That's almost done. Almost done. That's the hard bit. Now I'm just done it. Fermented chilies. Which is really like a walk in the park compared to the rest of this. I need some of the rim. The rim's pretty tasty. God, it's hot. Oh, it's hot. Hot. Okay. Very hot. Well, and the flies are all over it. Oh God, flies. Oh yeah. And now for everybody's favorite part of the cocktail, the garnish. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Sweet respite in an anchovy. Get out of here, flies. This is my meat wad. Century egg, habanero, and scorpion down the hatch. Crunchy. Smooth. Oh, this is a flavor sensation, guys. Oh. Oh yeah. I need 100 of those. Yes. I might make another one of those. Yes. Oh, that's so good. And then the habanero's a little hot, but